Hello everyone, myself Jadeja Siddharth Singh. Today I want to discuss with you about how the music and mathematics are related and how the mathematics is useful in forming a music. One famous mathematician said that music is the pleasure the human mind experiences from counting without being aware that it is counting. And yes, it's true that it seems surprising that when you listen Sare Jahan Se Achha Hindustata Hamara, there is a mathematics in this song. Let's discuss how mathematics and music are related. The basis of musical sound can be described mathematically. Elements of music such as its form, rhythm and the meter, the pitches of its notes and the tempo of its pulse can be related to the measurement of time and frequency and the many more mathematical theory which we are going to discuss. First, set theory in music. Musical set theory uses the language of mathematical set theory in an elementary way to organize a musical object and describe their relationship. To analyze the structure of piece of music using the musical set theory, one usually starts with a set of tones which could form motive or chord. If you want to create a one simple tone or if you want to create a one single song or compose one, then you have to have a one proper set of tones. You cannot mix up, you cannot change it. So the set theory is useful in this way. Like we know that we can't add any integer in the set of natural number, so natural number has its own set. Like that, every song has its own set. By applying a simple operation such as a transposition and the inversion, one can discover a drift structure in music. Operations such as the transposition and inversion are called isometries because they preserve the interval between the tones in a set. For example, every song has its own set of chord, and also in a 12 type of tones, property of the inversion is used. Abstract algebra in music. Expanding on the method of the musical set theory, some theorists have used the abstract algebra to analyze music. For example, the pitch of classes in an equal tempered octave form a abelian group with 12 elements. So the abstract algebra is used in the music in this way to form a group which having a 12 elements. Use of topology. The mathematician and the musicologist Giorgi Mazzalo has used category theory, a topos theory, for a basis of music theory, which includes using topology as a basis for the theory of rhythm and motives. Fibonacci sequence and music. We know about the Fibonacci sequence having 1 1 2 2 1 3 3 5 8 8 5. Next number will be the sum of before two number. So Joseph Schillinger developed a system of composition which uses the Fibonacci interval in its melodies. He viewed this as the musical counterpart to elaborate the harmony evident within nature. Also, 8 tal in tabla are created by help of the Fibonacci sequence. Think that if tabla have only 2 tal like dhin and dha, then you will be bored by listening tabla. But tabla have a 8 tal which is made up by the help of using the Fibonacci sequence. So after doing that 2 tal, you will get another third one tal. Golden ratio and the musical instruments. Pearl Drums, the name of company, Pearl Drums is a company, position the air vents on its master premium models based on the golden ratio. So the drums were made of using golden ratio. The company claimed that the arrangement improves the bass response and has applied for a patent on the in this innovation. Without the boundaries of the rhythmic structure, a fundamental, equal, and regular arrangement of the pulse, repetition, accent, phrase, and duration, music would not be possible. So now we will always remember that while listening the song, mathematics has a role in it. Thank you so much for listening me.